She's a princess, and I realize that it's content no lie, but she's a man that Kampala. Curvy murder, because of the big papa. Osana kuwa kuwende, as a bitty queen in the mood. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, bitty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, bitty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? After that fire, Babano, my man, all a good man. Trouble don't matter, she a better than you. She needs a good man. Moving where you go, let's go every day. She too confident. I got it, I'm a good man, I what you go down. In this car, you go pretend. I want to not sing your twin. And I go there, I'm good then. In the time, I change them. Oh, so like, in this car, you're so like. Everybody, beauty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, beauty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? She could feel the magic, and every day she feeling the magic. She's a princess, and I realize that it's not time no lie, but she's a shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, you can pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? She come out with the magic, and every day she feeling the magic. She's a princess, and I realize that it's content no lie, but she's a man that Kampala. Curvy murder, because of the big papa. Osana kuwa kuwende, as a bitty queen in the mood. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, bitty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, bitty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? After that fire, Babano, my man, all a good man. Trouble don't matter, she a better than you. She needs a good man. Moving where you go, let's go every day. She too confident. I got it, I'm a good man, I what you go down. In this car, you go pretend. I want to sing your twin. And I'm a good then. In the time, I change something. Oh, so like, in this car, you're so like. Everybody, beauty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire, how is her power? Everybody, beauty queen pose for a photo. Shoot her on fire.
I'm a fashion designer and model, contestant #1. Thank you for coming to support such a great cause.
Curvy's beauty, yeah. She come out in the magic.
Hello people, hi everyone, you're welcome. My name is Anakanwa. I come from Mukono and I'm a fashion stylist. Everybody's welcome and feel at home. Thank you so much.
Curvy's beauty.
Hello everyone. Good evening. My name contestant #4. I am a nurse by professional. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Just wait for another one. Yeah, she come out to the
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Erina Matamuhaye, and I'm a journalist and an entrepreneur. Contestant #5 for Miss Curvy 2022-2023. Thank you so much for all being here. God bless you.
administrator with Nasaba Medical and Maternity Center. Contestant number 6. Thank you for coming as we celebrate the month.
Now, contestant number 7, Miss Curvy, Uganda 2022. Thanks for all coming. Thank you for coming as we celebrate the African woman. My name is Nageza Beatrice. I'm a hairdresser. I'm contestant number 8, Miss Curvy 2022-2023. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mommy's calling, Curvy's beauty, yeah. She come out in the magic.
Now I'm contestant number 2010. I'm into Janet.
She come out in the magic. I remember she bring the magic. She's a princess, and I realize that it's not time no lie, but she's not like that opera. Curvy mother, open my semi way, and never pretend. You make all my chance to tell you realize that it's not time no lie, but she's not like that opera. Curvy mother, yeah. Curvy's all power. She come out with the magic. I know that she bring the magic. She's a princess, and I realize that it's not time now. Her body's all power. Curvy body, with the quick boys on the floor. She put her on fire. Her body's all power. Curvy body.
So now we're in Q&A.
And you return back to the line. Is that fine with the ladies? You all look beautiful, by the way. So without
Mommy's calling, Curvy's beauty.
What is one future you would change about yourself?
And I look beautiful though I am. Thank you.
thank you so much. Contestant number 2. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
You look amazing.
Thank you. The pleasure's all mine.
Indeed. So what is the biggest challenge to young people today, in your own opinion? What do you think young people are facing lately?
Thank you so much. Young people, I'll talk about the ladies first. I'll talk about the young girls, and I'll talk about even big people have their own challenges. But they are really facing very many problems. We have early pregnancies. They lack what is. I would try to talk about our days as ladies. I think when I talk about the ladies, or all ladies, people are trying to say, there are girls who are out there, like in villages, they don't have those, the things that we use in our days, and it's really a very, very big challenge to them. So maybe if at any one moment, if we, the Curvy ladies, can come up, I don't care if one of us gets the crown, we shall work hand in hand with the CEO, Miss Curvy, then we try to help out the girls who are really facing a lot of problems. Yeah.
Contestant number 3. Sharon,
Yes, please.
we would like to know what bothers you most about what is happening in your country today.
According to me, from what I see around my community, we are facing so many challenges, from high rates of unemployment. There are so many youths who are done with university, but they don't have jobs. We also have a problem of school dropouts in the communities. Surrounding me, I see a lot of children not going to school. And one last thing I want to talk about is the problem of violence against us, the women. It's very rampant. It happens, women are facing
facing this day in, day out, and many of them don't even come out to talk about it. They die in silence. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm okay, sir.
Good. So contestant number 4. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be?
Thank you so much. If I would change anything to the world, I would change the health of the people. A lot of people are suffering health-wise, most especially the girls, those young girls. Some of them are illiterate about the teenage pregnancies. Some of them are very illiterate about the family planning methods. Is my skills, my best of skills and knowledge in order to perceive the best result for the health of the people in the community. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 5. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel blessed.
You feel blessed.
Sure.
If you were to win Miss Curvy tonight, what would be the first thing you would do in the next 2 weeks from today?
Thank you so much for that question. If I were to become Miss Curvy tonight, what would I do in the first 2 weeks, starting from today? The first thing I would do is, 1, I believe in unity and diversity. Uganda is a country that is blessed with different cultures, different foods, and so many other differences that we have. But because I appreciate the differences in us, I actually don't appreciate similarities, so I appreciate unity and diversity. That means I will be talking to people and encouraging them to appreciate each other so that we can lift up each other, and then eventually we can rise up as a nation or as the women of this country. Thank you so much.
Shiraz. Yes, madam.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling loved.
What quality do you like most about yourself and why? What quality do you like about yourself and why?
The quality I really love about myself, the way God created me. I'm a natural, loving, caring, and confident about the way I was created. Yes.
It's a yes?
Yes.
You did. Alright, my question is, which public figure or celebrity would you invite to dine with, and why?
I would actually invite Miss Anne, the CEO of Miss Curvy Uganda. And I would actually invite her because she's so inspiring. I like how she looks. Every time I look at her, I feel so inspired. I feel like tomorrow I can really be like her. I feel I can work hard, work on myself tomorrow because I really like that she is. She's beautiful. She has a nice body. I really like everything about her. So that's how I would invite her today.
Contestant number 8. How do you feel right now?
I feel proud.
Louder?
I feel proud. Just being here is just a good thing.
So being here is just a good thing for you? You're sure?
Sorry?
You're sure?
Yes.
Did you say you're a fashion designer?
I'm a hairstylist.
You're a hairstylist?
Yes, please.
Nice. Okay. So what do you think is one of the biggest challenges young women today are facing?
The big challenge is just the mindset.
they lack a mindset. Mostly.
Is that it?
They lack a mindset, and many of them, and they are not confident. They do not believe in themselves at all. That's why when I'm here as a contestant of Miss Curvy, I want to inspire many of them. Because even being here is just a good feeling. It's confident. It's confident. I feel confident in you.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 9.
Babazi. Good evening. Please speak louder. What is your definition of success? What is your definition of success? When you hear the word success, how do you perceive that?
I would like to use my mother tongue.
You've got to be audible enough, right? Be audible enough, please.
Amito,
Yes.
I'm glad to see you here today.
Me too. Thank you.
Now, your question. Beauty with brains. How do you perceive that?
Not only.
We are looking for the Miss Curvy Queen tonight.
Yeah.
And one of the qualities we are looking out for is brains. You are all beautiful.
Yes.
Do you have the brains?